It's great to be here with so many friends from the Haitian community. I'm honored to call friends Sandy, Eddie Crispin, of course Gertrude, and the mother of all the Haitian community of Boston. We're lucky to have her daughter and granddaughter working with us. And then of course, I call her my Jewish Haitian mother, Bernadette. My Jewish Haitian mom, Bernadette. Sandy, so many great folks in the Haitian community that I'm not proud to work with, I'm lucky to work with. Because these are people of values. Values that we all celebrate and cherish. Values of family, values of hard work, values of community, and values of compassion and love for one another and our entire community. I've been lucky enough to work in and around the communities of Boston for 35 years. 35 years. And I've had the opportunity and honor to learn from every single person I've met in those 35 years. And so many of these people in those 35 years have been the great people of Haiti and bringing their traditions and culture here to Boston. And I've learned so much, as I already mentioned, the great values they share about family, love, compassion, hard work, and community. But we owe our Haitian brothers and sisters who are such a vital and important part of our community, who keep our community strong, we owe them our support. Because with the Trump administration and the things in Washington, D.C., we will fight all mass deportations. We will have their backs as true American citizens and immigrants to this great country. And as long as I'm the mayor of Boston, I will always provide safety, support, and have the backs of the entire Haitian community of Boston. And the other way to do that, the other thing that is so important to me is meeting the basic needs, the needs that are so important to the Haitian community of today, like housing, pathways to generational wealth, but also the future. I know that Boston Public Schools don't have to do better by the Haitian community, they must do better by the Haitian community. And you have my word that under my administration, BPS will be more in tune and more connected with and in more lockstep with our brothers and sisters in the Haitian community. And it means the world to me to have the support of this awesome, powerful community that's full of love, compassion, and hope and opportunity. So thank you all for your unbelievable support. I'm honored and thrilled. Thank you so much.